Well, this is incredible, and a close call caught on video. Look at this. A truck you're about to see is going to narrowly miss these kids. Right here, they cross the street. Look at that. Just, that kid jumps out of the way. This all happened in Norway. You see the kids are going to dart into the road, and then the semi-driver hits his brakes just in time to avoid hitting them. You saw that one kid fly out of the way, and it looks like it was just only a matter of inches between those kids and that truck. A truck driver going in the opposite direction captured all this video on his dashboard camera. Luckily, nobody hurt, but a very close call.